stick with the idea of doing something that isn't overly complicated, and we're going to do this. I haven't done anything outside of Northwest Europe really, I think, aircraft wise or tank wise. It's late at night, there's a lot of shine on the box, and all the usual stuff. Nice little set actually, and the model looks like it's very well designed. So let's hope it all goes together and everything is lovely. Interior. Oops, it looks like I've made it, pretty much. That flew together. I haven't actually painted the interior of the cockpit, it went so quick. It just went bang, bang, bang. The only problems, massive gaps there. Come on. I haven't done any trimming or anything. So, apart from that, beautiful. I think it's time to paint. Right, well I went and sprayed it with Tamiya primer, and it's come out lovely. I might leave it like that for the time being and carry on as if this were the finished item. Tail bits are looking a bit spacey as well, aren't they? Now I've highlighted everything. You might say push them in further. Well, I did. So yeah, spacey. Anyway, loving it. This is one of those. Ooh, oh God. This is one of those. Oh, heavens above. We try to analyze them. Yeah, of course we do. This is one of those which not only has it made itself, but the wings appear to have been designed by somebody else from the person who made the fuselage. That was just immaculate. And this bit, little panel here, slotted in, and no need for glue. Obviously the time will come because I've got to put the kind of nose section on, but lovely. Now I think I'm going to make a film at this point, because otherwise it'll all just be done, or it will drag on a bit like the Sturmgeschütz did. That was a bit too long. So we'll stop here, put the other bits on, paint the interior a little, obviously not a lot at this point, and put the markings on. So thank you for watching. See you again soon. Sorry we didn't go stage by stage. Anyway, it says something about the quality of the model apart from the gaps. See you soon. Cheers. Ooh, that looks yellow. Anyway, it's alright, I worked it out for myself. The wings are supposed to be at a rakish angle. I'm not so sure about the tail. Anyway, there's the engine cowling on with a bit of smudge. That'll get painted up, and then put a few more bits on. But don't know why the light's gone so yellow. I was going to discuss the colour. I'll carry on making it like this because there we are, because it looks quite nice. But I think I'm going to have to do it the proper colour in the end, aren't I? Yes. Anyway, so I've added this on because it's only 3 minutes long so far. So I was a bit previous, as they say. Right, this probably is the last shot for this one. So propellers on, smartened up the black, done some of the interior, still got to clean up the seat. Not that a lot of it will be visible, but I started. What did I do? I started a little bit of weathering. I've tried to get a slightly mucky area in the grooves around the machine guns, and there's a story to the machine guns as well, and a little bit of heavy weathering under there from the little pipes, which will tone down, I'm sure. So the machine guns, hang on, I'm going to have to stop and we'll have to do another shot. here they are, two rather smart machine guns, or at least that's what they appear to be to me, triggers and stuff. I got to a certain point and I thought, I haven't put them on, and I thought, where on earth have I missed this? I went through the instructions probably 5 times until I realised the instructions were showing me that the machine guns are moulded in to that surface. Oh, I got, is that shine? That's shine. So they're moulded into that plate there. So they come with the plate. You don't have to fit machine guns. But I spent ages looking for them. Check the detail on the instructions. Anyway, means I've got 2 lovely machine guns to play with. Isn't that nice? That is nice. Yeah, and I've got to put the stick in, but I haven't put the man in yet. So, there we are. Let's bring this all to a close for now, and then we'll come back for the last bits, bit of a repaint and the markings. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.